Today we're drilling beans into a green cover crop, and I'm using the Crimper roller that TT Engineering has designed for me. It's a bespoke machine, and there's not another one in the world. Working with Trevor, we've adapted this machine to do exactly what I want, so it can float and follow the contours of the land. It works off an air cushion, so we can get that perfect crimp, which is what it's really important about, is just getting that perfect crimp up the stem of the plant, so you're cutting that blood supply off and the plant will die naturally. I think the beauty of working with Trevor, because he comes from farming, he's worked in farming, he understands what we're achieving and he understands the problems, and that's what makes Trevor different, because he can see both sides of the fence. And the liquid fertiliser system, for instance, I didn't want any drips on my brand new drill. Trevor understood that straight away, and he designed a machine that didn't drip, that didn't have liquid fertiliser on the drill, which would go rusty. And that's just one example of how Trevor understands, because he's a farmer himself, he understands what we're trying to achieve. That's the big difference of working with Trevor rather than just an engineer.
What we found over the years is that there isn't a problem that Trevor can't solve. We're very lucky to have somebody so talented in being able to fabricate and come up with the ideas necessary. What we've been able to do now with the equipment that Trevor's developing for us is we're able to target directly into and around the seed, so that when the seed actually germinates, these microbes, nutrition can be taken up directly, which means that we can actually put much higher levels of nutrition and microbes down compared to what we would be doing in terms of spraying over the total soil.
How we're working with regenerative farming is actually we're promoting soil life, we're improving soil health, and we're increasing basically the plant health. And so by doing this, we're actually enabling ourselves to reduce inputs, certainly fertiliser, definitely pesticides as well. And so as we keep that healthier plant all the way through the system, it will then generally correlate into yield too. So there's so many more benefits that we can get from having a good soil health and a functioning plant, and we're just redeeming the rewards.
I've got a couple of farms that are using some of his applicators, and over the moon with, compared to what they were using beforehand. It might not be the cheapest system, but you can see what you're getting for the money is quality. It is exceptionally well put together and it works. When you're working, you want to be working. You don't want to have to be dealing with breakdowns and downtime. Compared to the systems that these guys were using previously, they're not having those issues. And that's worth so much more.